Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the English medium first years, and this chapter we are dealing with that is the fourth chapter of our academic year, that is the partnership form. So this is the first session of the partnership form. In this session we are going to know what is partnership form and how we get it registered. The process we are going to study in detail in this session. So what is the partnership? Basically partnership means when two or more persons join together, they join together with a common aim. When they join together with a common aim, and there will exist up to that common aim they achieve, that is simply known as partnership form or partnership business. Sometimes the partnership business may be continue for a long period of time. Sometimes it will complete or dissolved. Dissolved means what? End. It will end after their achieving that particular aim. So let us see what is the partnership form with meaning definition. So meaning of the partnership form. Partnership is an association. What is it? It is an association of two or more persons. So it is an association of persons, ma. It is an association of two or more persons who pool their money. Pool means what? Who bring all their money. Pool means what? Not swimming pool. Okay. They bring all the money. Their finance and managerial resources. Okay, they pool all the financial and managerial resources. Managerial resources means managerial resources. Financial resources means capital resources. Okay, so they will bring all capital resources, and also they bring all the managerial resources, maintain chedam. Okay, and agree to carry on business. They are agreed to carry on the business. They are going to start the business, okay, and share its profits or losses. So we know from first class I told you that the profit is the lifeblood of the business. I am right? Yes, in the first session only in this academic year we discussed that the profit is the lifeblood of the business. So here they started the business with the intention that in order to get more profit, or even if there is a loss, they are ready to share the loss or they are ready to share the profit. Okay, the person who form a partnership individually, the person who form a partnership, who forming a partnership, and individually that person is known as partners. Individually those persons, person is known as partner, persons are known as partners, okay, individually, and collectively means totally, completely, they are known as firm or partnership firm. Firm is nothing but it is a business, it is an organization. Okay, it is an organization. Firm ante inkedo kaadu. Firm means it is an organization, vyaparam, business. Okay, next definition. The relationship between the persons who agree to share the profits of the business. It is a relationship. It is a relationship between the persons, you and me. We are the partners. Okay, if you are starting a business, then you and me, we both are partners of that business. We start that business and we share the profits. If loss, we will share it also. Okay, carried on by all the partners will carry on the business, or anyone acting for all. Means, for example, 10 partners are there. In these 10 partners, only one partner will act on behalf of all other partners. Ante 10 mandi unte 10 mandi partners ki 10 mandi pani cheyakunda andaru tarpuna okare pani cheyadam annattu idi. Anyone acting for all, or leda carried on by all ante andaru participate kavadam ilantidi kuda untundi. So when we are discussing about the types of the partnership forms, or types of the partners, then you will get the complete idea. In the next sessions, you will get the idea what is actual the types of partners are there, right? So these definitions is given according to the section 4 of Partnership Act 1932. You have to always remember the sections along with the partnership, along with the acts. Okay, section 4 of Partnership Act 1932. Okay, so next one, registration of partnership form. So this is very important definition. It may be asked for 2 marks. Then you have to write how you have to write. You have to write certain meaning. You have to write these meaning and afterwards you have to write the definition. Exam lo eppudu definition adigina definition ki definition rayakandi. Ancient ante first kodiga meaning light ga koncham meaning rasi, if you write the definition he will be impressed, and also you have to keep like this arrow mark and you have to write here according to. Actually in your textbook how they will give, according to section 4 of the Partnership Act 1932, the relationship between this is not attractive for the examiner. If you write like this and if you write these all things with the blue pen and if you use here black pen, then it will be very attractive for the examiner. Okay, next, registration of partnership form. Registration, how it get registered, let us see. The Indian Partnership Act 1932. What is the Partnership Act? Remember, always you have to remember the acts. Indian Partnership Act 1932 does not make it compulsory. Are you seeing here? What he is saying, it does not make compulsory. Partnership Act does not make it compulsory. The form to be registered. The form to be registered. It is not at all mandatory. It is not at all important. It is not at all necessary. But there are certain disabilities. What are those? Disabilities. Disabilities means what? Disabilities means some type of problems, okay, which attach to an unregistered form. Which are attached to unregistered form means illegal smugglings, drug smuggling, okay, smuggling of some other things. These make what? These will make the form to be unlawful. So if it got registered, then it is completely lawful in the eyes of the people. Yes, so that's why it become necessary for the partnership to get registered. Okay, these disabilities make it compulsory for a form to be get registered. So these disabilities make the form, it will make the form to get registered. It will make the form to get registered. Compulsory, every form should have to be get registered. Registration can be takes place at any time. There is no time limit. In 15 days only you have to do the registration, or in 10 days you have to do the registration. There is not like that. You can make registration at any time. Next, let us see the procedure of this registration. Number 1, procedure. Number 2, number 3. Finally, you will get the certificate of registration. Here, finally, you will get the certificate of registration. Let us see what is what one by one. The firm will have to apply to the registrar of the firm of the state concerned in the prescribed form. So, what here the form, the business, partnership business form, the firm will have to apply to the registrar of the firm. There is a registrar. Registrar, what the registrar will do? He registered the forms. So, registrar of the firm, he will, what his duty? He will daily register the forms, businesses untai kada, danni register chestuntadu. So, the firm should have to apply to the register of the firm of the state concerned, in the particular state concerned in the prescribed form. There is a particular form, the procedure is there to get registered. If the register satisfied, then only you will get the certificate of registration. Otherwise, you won't get the certificate of registration. Let us see what is that. The name of the firm. First, you have to mention in the form. Form means one paper will be there. That is a form. Generally, you have admission form. Yes, TC is also form. Yes, transfer certificate form. Like that, for the business registration also there is one form. Okay, the name of the form. Okay, first you have to mention the name. Location. First name. Next, location of the form. Right. Next, name of the other places where the firm carry on the business. If the firm has any, okay, if the firm have branches, if your business firm have any branches, then you have to mention the names of those branches also where there are. The name in full and address of the partners. So name in full and address of the partners, full name of the partners along with their address, the date on which various partners join the firm. So one partner joined on one date and one partner joined on one date. So whatever the dates are there regarding the joining of number of partners, that should be clearly mentioned in the register form. Okay. The duration of the firm, how much duration it will be taken to start and how much time it going to be continue and when it is going to be dissolved, that also have to be mentioned. Duration means time, Nana. Duration means time. Okay. The duly filled in form must be signed by all the partners. Okay. Whatever the information, these see A, B, C, D, these all are there. Whatever the information we are given, those information, that form should have to be signed by all the partners. How many members are there partners? Everyone should have to sign it. Okay. The filled in form along with prescribed registration fee. So there is some prescribed registration fee also they have to pay. Must be deposited in the office of register of firm. So that have to be deposited in the register of the firm. So in the office of, it is the office. Which office? In which office they have to deposit? Deposit ante entidi jama cheyadam. Okay. So ekkada? In the office of register of the firm. In the office of register of the firm, they have to deposit the amount. Which amount, Nana? Registration fee amount. They have to deposit the registration fee amount. The registrar will take the application. He will take the application. Which application? This form. That form is application. If he is satisfied by taking application, if he is satisfied that all formalities relating to the registration have been duly compiled with, he will put the name of the form into the register. If he is satisfied that everything is good, nothing is harmful for the society, whatever the information is given in a form is completely true, there is no any kind of mistakes or there is no any kind of fraud is done, then he will make, for example, the form name is XYZ form. XYZ is one type of partnership form. Then this name will be entered into the register. Enter into the register. Register, you have the attendance register untundi kada, mee peru dantlo enroll chestaru kada. In the same way, the partners, the partnership business name, XYZ business name is also enrolled in the register of the, in which register? Registration of firm register. Okay, registration of firm register lo company register, they will write the name of that company. Okay, that they will write the name of that partnership firm and issue the certificate of registration. After that, they will issue the certificate of registration. So they will enter the name in the register of that particular partnership firm and they will issue the certificate of registration to the partners. So this is about the registration of partnership firm. It is very simply they are doing. No much formalities, very simple formalities are there. This is about the meaning, definition and the registration of partnership firm. Let us meet in other session with the new topic, that is about the futures of the partnership firm. Okay, right.